This is a 2013 Range Rover Sport. It has a 5.0-liter, 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features include voice activation technology, a heated steering wheel with audio controls, a locking center differential, alloy wheels, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, interior wood trim accents, stereo controls on the steering wheel, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, a HomeLink feature, a rear window defroster, a rear spoiler, and this vehicle has fewer than 29,000 miles on the odometer. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Welcome to Land Rover Frisco, an adventurous and truly unique driving experience. At Land Rover Frisco, we are British by birth and Texan by choice. Come in today.